Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to homework 10.8. It's going to be kind of all sorts of graphing review, so creating equations, graphing equations, finding slope, intercepts, all that stuff in preparation for your last unit test on Friday. So for number one, what is the slope and the y-intercept of the following equation? Y equals negative 3x plus 6. Remember, if we have y equals mx plus b, this number right here, or this variable constant coefficient, represents the slope, and this variable, the constant at the end, represents the y-intercept. So the slope in this case is negative 3, and the y-intercept is 6. So your slope m is equal to negative 3, b is equal to positive 6, and d is your answer there. In number 3, what is the slope of the line represented by the equation y equals 1/2 x plus 3? So again, that's just looking at the slope-intercept form and saying, up, this right here represents my slope. So in this case, that's 1/2. So your slope is b. Number 5, which of the following characteristics describe the graph of the equation below? Y equals negative 4x plus 2. So we have a negative slope because we had negative 4, and we have a positive y-intercept. Alright, so that's where we have to look. So anything that says positive slope is wrong. So A and B are both wrong because we have a negative slope. C says a negative sloping line that crosses the x-axis at 2. That's incorrect because we want the y-axis. So that's why D is our correct answer. Number 7, give the value of the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the graph of the line. So the y-intercept is located here at 0, 4, and your x-intercept is located here at 3, 0. So the x-intercept is 3, 0, y-intercept is 0, 4. A is your answer. Number 9, we're going to start with our y-intercept. We have to graph this. So we're going to start at 0, 2, immediately put a dot at 0, 2. We can then move negative 2 over 1 or 2 over negative 1, meaning I can move down negative 2, 1, 2, and right 1, down negative 2, right 1, down negative 2, right 1, down negative 2, right 1, or go back and go up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. And there you have your, excuse me, sorry, that's a terrible line. A negative sloping line with a y-intercept at 2. Alright, number 11, we're going to start at 0, 5, which is right here. Our slope is 3 over 2 or negative 3 over negative 2. And I can go up 3 right 2, but I can't because I run out of space, so I should go down negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, left 2. 1, 2, left negative 2, excuse me. Down negative 3, 1, 2, 3, left negative 2, 1, 2. So notice again how the axis counts as the line. Down negative 3, 1, 2, 3, left negative 2, 1, 2. So we have a positive sloping line, a y-intercept of 5, and that's exactly what we have there. And number 13, our y-intercept keeps the sign is 0, negative 4, so we should put a dot immediately at negative 4. Our slope is negative 2 over positive 5 or 2 over negative 5, so meaning I can go down 2, right 5, or up positive 2, left negative 5. So I do have space to move down negative 2, 1, 2, right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have space to move up 2, 1, 2, and left negative 5. So I have a negative sloping line with a y-intercept at negative 4, and that's exactly what my equation calls for. Lastly, it says, what is the slope and y-intercept of the line represented by y equals 8x minus 6? That's very simple. 8 is your slope, and 0, negative 6 is your y-intercept. So your slope is 8, so anything that doesn't say positive 8 as your slope is wrong. That's at negative 8, that's at 6, that's at negative 6. So Process of elimination, C is the correct answer. That's it. Call me if you have questions.